In this tutorial, we will cover how to use the field splitter node. This node allows us to split string data points into multiple columns using a separator. For this example, we will be focused on the product code column. Each of these codes contains two parts, the product line and the individual product ID. For further analysis, we want to split up this value into multiple columns. In this case, we will be focusing on the underscore as our separator. Here in the field splitter configuration pane, the first thing we need to do is to select our input column to be split. Next, we need to choose the names of the columns. Since this was a two-part code, we only need two column names. Next, we need to select our separator. In this case, it will be the underscore symbol. Finally, we can choose what the node will do if it encounters an issue. We have two options, either for the workflow to end or to die, or for the value to be ignored and for the node to move on. However, if we choose ignore here, we may end up with NA values in our resulting columns. Now we can execute this workflow. Here in the execution page, we can see that our original column, the product code, has remained unchanged. If we want to drop this column, we will need to use additional nodes. At the end of our dataset, we can see we also have the code line and the code product. These were the two columns that have been created by our splitter node. Now we can use these values for further analysis separately and without the symbols in either column. Thank you for listening.